It's your boy, Pineapple Boy. And before I get into the card opening and what we're gonna open, I want to take a moment to talk about Hidden Fates. Man, it's been a rough couple days. I have been trying, I have been searching in my area, and no luck. So recently, I found out through YouTube, so many people have been going to Walmarts and getting lucky finding Hidden Fates. So immediately I searched in my area, I asked other people, other connections, and apparently my area wasn't the lucky one this past Friday, which most places got them on Friday. But my area didn't get it till just last night, maybe around 8 p.m. And come on, I don't know the times that these distributors are going to show up there. Nobody knows. So it's really hard work. You have to really be out there trying to look for them. There is no pattern. They could distribute at any time. So don't think that, oh, it's a certain time that they'll be there, so I'll be there. It doesn't work that way. So your best bet is to just keep trying and get lucky. But unfortunately, I am not lucky. I wasn't able to get any Hidden Fates, and that's fine. I'm definitely not going to pay over MSRP. So there's a lot of people out there that are not true Pokemon collectors and are already selling them, aka scalpers, which we don't like. But it is what it is. All right. The only thing that I was able to retrieve last night is some Cosmic Eclipse. It's the next best thing. I mean, there was some Champions Path, there's some Trainer Toolkits, Alakazam V-Boxes, and I'm not interested in that. So I did get something for you guys at least. And one more thing. The Shining Fates is going to be a different story. I am going to be prepared, so look out for that. If you do want to see me open that in the channel, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell button, subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get into it. So I have 6 Cosmic Eclipse that we're going to open up today, and also, this is a bonus, Champions Path, Darkness Ablaze and Sun and Moon. This came from a tin, and I'll quickly show you the tin it came from. I was able to catch this. It was probably the only one. So we are going to start off with the left side, and then we'll get into the main event. So code card. Let us start with Electric. No. Right off the bat, I see something, guys. Reverse Hollow. Okay, not bad. Our first hit. A hit is better than no hit. So we get that over. Ooh. Wow, you guys saw that, okay? I don't think this one has 4. I don't think it has an energy, but oh, it does, okay. I was wrong. Eradicate, Gold Dratini, Lillipup, Reverse Hollow Trainer. I already have this one, so this is our rare. It's fine, it's not bad. Put our hollow rare right there, and let's move on to Cosmic Eclipse. Okay. Oh, the wrong side. Let us start with Fire. Oh, nice. Looks like it's gonna be a good one. Pikachu. And sometimes, even though they're green, you might be able to get that reverse holo. Like I'm saying, this one is not a bad one. I'm probably gonna sleeve it. Guys, look at the hit. Are you kidding me? And this came from a green one. You saw that. Green. Wow, I can't believe that's happening. Cannot believe that's happening. That is so crazy. That is so crazy, guys. Oh, and I see something again. What is going on? All right, let's do dark. Nice. Yeah, I'm guessing, guys, and you know I'm really bad at misguessing. Today is a lucky day. And we have, oh, let's go. Let's freaking go. Very nice. Let's go. Let's freaking go over here, guys. So like I said, even if you see green, don't get bummed because it might be that good card. It could always be a mistake too. You never know. Let's go with electric. Magnemite, Lil Pop, reverse holo Grandpa, and ching. Let's go. Another hit. Another hit, guys. We are in today. We have 3 more Cosmic Eclipse. And we can only hope for the best. Let's go with Psychic. The Cosmic Eclipse definitely went by fast, but I was able to get these, and as you see, they are treating me pretty well today. Got 2 more. Let's leave the Blastoise for last. And it's a green, so let's do electric. Ponyta, reverse holo, okay, and our rare. And we have our last one. Let us do electric again. And that was it, guys. I didn't even get a reverse holo. Oh well. Anyways, recap on the hits. Got that Blastoise. And this one is just crazy. But anyways, guys, I am going to bring more context. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and till next time.